Which one is the first country to launch artificial satellite? A. USA. B. USSR. C. China. D. Germany. The correct answer is USSR. Which country has highest life expectancy? A. Monaco. B. Japan. C. Singapore. D. Andorra. The correct answer is Monaco. The Durand Line separates which two countries? A. India and Pakistan. B. USA and Mexico. C. North Korea and South Korea. D. Pakistan and Afghanistan. The correct answer is Pakistan and Afghanistan. Which country in the world is almost covered by desert? A. Oman. B. Djibouti. C. Jordan. D. Egypt. The correct answer is Djibouti. The country, Andorra, shares its border with which two countries? A. Germany and Denmark. B. Spain and Portugal. C. Spain and France. D. France and Belgium. The correct answer is Spain and France. The European Union was formed in the year A. 1987. B. 1989. C. 1993. D. 1997. The correct answer is 1993. Which one country is also known as the Corn Belt of world? A. Australia. B. Mexico. C. China. D. USA. The correct answer is USA. Which one is also known as Land of Canals? A. Netherlands. B. Egypt. C. China. D. Chile. The correct answer is Netherlands. Taklamakan, which is located on northwestern part of China, is A. Mountain peak. B. Desert. C. River. D. Gold mine. The correct answer is desert. Atacama Desert is located in A. Peru. B. Brazil. C. Chile. D. Argentina. The correct answer is Chile. Where the headquarters of SAARC is located? A. New Delhi. B. Islamabad. C. Colombo. D. Kathmandu. The correct answer is Kathmandu. According to WHO, which country has the lowest life expectancy at birth? A. Chad. B. South Sudan. C. Angola. D. Sierra Leone. The correct answer is Sierra Leone. Where the headquarters of International Committee of the Red Cross is located? A. Berlin. B. Geneva. C. Paris. D. London. The correct answer is Geneva. Dublin is the capital of A. Ireland. B. Scotland. C. Norway. D. Austria. The correct answer is Ireland. Which one is the capital of Australia? A. Perth. B. Sydney. C. Canberra. D. Melbourne. The correct answer is Canberra. Where does the non-aligned movement have its headquarters? A. Manila, Philippines. B. Jakarta, Indonesia. C. New Delhi, India. D. Colombo, Sri Lanka. The correct answer is Jakarta, Indonesia. What is Bhutan described as? A. Absolute monarchy. B. Constitutional republic. C. Popular democracy. D. Constitutional monarchy. The correct answer is Constitutional monarchy. The country with the highest per capita income in South Asia is A. Maldives. B. Sri Lanka. C. Bhutan. D. India. The correct answer is Maldives. Which one is the only country in Asia not a member of the United Nations? A. North Korea. B. Bhutan. C. Syria. D. Taiwan. The correct answer is Taiwan. The headquarters of the United Nations University is located at A. Tokyo. B. Beijing. C. Paris. D. Glasgow. The correct answer is Tokyo. The International Civil Aviation Organization, a specialized agency of the UN, mediating and enforcing and regulating international civil aviation norms, is based in A. Tokyo, B. Nairobi, C. Montreal, D. Sydney. The correct answer is Montreal. The oldest stock exchange in the world is A. Mumbai, B. Hong Kong, C. London, D. Amsterdam. The correct answer is Amsterdam. The headquarters of OPEC is located in A. Riyadh, B. Tehran, C. Vienna, D. Istanbul. The correct answer is Vienna. What is the name of the train running on the world's longest bullet train line? A. Shangri-La of the world, B. Grand Vitesse, C. Shinkansen, D. The Whirlwind. The correct answer is Shangri-La of the world. Over which of the following regions is the major ozone hole of the Earth? A. Arctic region, B. Antarctica, C. Equatorial region, D. North America. The correct answer is Antarctica. Which one is also known as the coffee port of the world? A. Manzanillo, B. Balboa, C. Santos, D. Busan. The correct answer is Santos. Alfalfa is A kind of grass, B. tribe, C. name of desert storm, D. town. The correct answer is kind of grass. Which one is not a member of G-7 countries? A. Canada, B. Italy, C. Japan, D. South Korea. The correct answer is South Korea. Which country is also known as Land of Lilies? A. Italy, B. Canada, C. Netherlands, D. Japan. The correct answer is Canada. Which one is the first bank in the world? A. Berenberg Bank, B. Metzler Bank, C. Bank of England, D. Banca Monte dei Paschi di Siena. The correct answer is Banca Monte dei Paschi di Siena. Agricola is the bibliographic database of the National Agricultural Library of A. India, B. Russia, C. China, D. USA. The correct answer is USA. Which organ of the United Nations has veto power? A. General Assembly, B. Security Council, C. Social and Economic Council, D. Trusteeship Council. The correct answer is Security Council. Which of the following is the highest volcanic mountain? A. Cotopaxi, B. Krakatoa, C. Stromboli, D. Vesuvius. The correct answer is Cotopaxi. Where is Volcan City located? A. Cuba, B. Canada, C. USA, D. Mexico. The correct answer is Canada. Which of the following is known as selvas? A. Mangrove forest, B. Thorn forest, C. Deciduous forest, D. Evergreen forest of Amazon. The correct answer is Evergreen forest of Amazon. When was the African Union founded? A. 2002, B. 2003, C. 2004, D. 2005. The correct answer is 2002. Bosporus Strait divides the continents of A. Asia and Africa, B. Asia and Australia, C. North America and South America, D. Asia and Europe. The correct answer is Asia and Europe. Which one is the first city in the world to announce an ultra-low emission zone to tackle rising levels of air pollution? Is A. London, B. Paris, C. Tokyo, D. Seoul. The correct answer is London. Greenland and Baffin Island is divided by A. Hudson Strait. B. Davis Strait. C. Yucatan Strait. D. Torres Strait. The correct answer is Hudson Strait. Which of the following is the most extensive area of high population density in the world? A. Western Europe. B. East Asia. C. Southern Europe. D. Nile Valley and Delta. The correct answer is East Asia. The highest density of agricultural population is found in A. China. B. India. C. Java. D. Philippines. The correct answer is Philippines. The coffee estates of Brazil are known as A. Haciendas. B. Fazendas. C. Huertas. D. Llaneras. The correct answer is Fazendas. Which of the following regions is called Balkans of the East? A. Southwest Asia. B. Southeast Asia. C. China and Japan. D. Eastern Siberia. The correct answer is Southeast Asia. Bangkok, the capital city of Thailand, is situated on the bank of the river A. Mekong. B. Salween. C. Menem. D. Irrawaddy. The correct answer is Menem. The northern limit of Southwest Asia is A. Red Sea. B. Caspian Sea. C. Zagros Mountain. D. Hindu Kush Mountain. The correct answer is Caspian Sea. Egypt is the gift of the Nile, it was stated by A. Aristotle. B. Seneca. C. Herodotus. D. Hippocrates. The correct answer is Herodotus. Which of the following African races is called a dying race? A. Batu. B. Zulu. C. Maasai. D. Pygmy. The correct answer is Pygmy. Abacus was discovered in which country? A. China. B. India. C. Egypt. D. Iran. The correct answer is China. The Rose Revolution took place in which country in 2003? A. Belarus. B. Ukraine. C. Georgia. D. Russia. The correct answer is Georgia. The Nuclear Non-Proliferation Treaty was accepted by the General Assembly of United Nations in A. 1961. B. 1963. C. 1966. D. 1968. The correct answer is 1968. What country calls itself Nippon? A. South Korea. B. Japan. C. Thailand. D. North Korea. The correct answer is Japan. What country was known as Rhodesia? A. Sudan. B. Italy. C. Zambia. D. Zimbabwe. The correct answer is Zimbabwe. Total number of countries in the group of the Commonwealth of Nations. A. 26. B. 32. C. 48. D. 53. The correct answer is 53. Which international organization was created as a result of North Atlantic Treaty, 1949? A. WTO. B. NATO. C. UNESCO. D. UN. The correct answer is NATO. Oslo is the capital of Dash. A. Denmark. B. Finland. C. Hungary. D. Norway. The correct answer is Norway. European Union was established as a result of A. Treaty of Paris 1951. B. New York Agreement. C. Paris Peace Accords. D. 18. The correct answer is Treaty of Paris 1951. The Tatar tribe inhabitants in which part of the world? A. Siberia. B. Kenya. C. Europe. D. Australia. The correct answer is Siberia. The popular social dance salsa is originated from A. Brazil. B. Italy. C. Mexico. D. America. The correct answer is America.